I'll be showing you about the Fire Stick, how to set it up to your TV, how to use Kodi so that you can watch, whatever you want. This is the Fire Stick box. This is what it looks like. When you open up the box, you'll get it's almost like a little booklet packet that folds down like this, and it comes like that. And inside it just has your charger, cord, your manual. You also have the actual Fire Stick right here, which is, again, for the HDMI portal in the back of your TV. And then it comes also with this, which is an HDMI cord extender. You would actually plug up your Fire Stick into here like this. Okay? And then this will go to the back of your TV. And this just gives you more length. You also have the power supply cord, which you can see is not that far. So depending on where your outlet is, you may need the extender, you may not. Okay. In order to use the Fire Stick, you need to plug up. Here's a plug right here. And you would just plug this cord, this end piece, into that outlet. Okay. Alright, so this is what the Fire Stick looks like. Alright, first we're going to go over the remote. It has most features as a normal remote does. This middle button is the OK button. You got the up, down, left, right. And this is the back button. This is the home button. This is the menu button. This is play, pause, like it says. Rewind and fast forward. Really simple. To set up the Wi-Fi for your network connection, you're going to go down to settings. You're going to go over to, so you'll be going over the systems. Once you get the systems, you're going to go to network. And you're going to find your internet Wi-Fi name. Put your password in. After you put your password in, you're going to go down to connect, or you can press the play button. Okay. Or you can press the play button right here, and it'll work the same for you. Alright, so now that's done. It's going to connect. You're going to go back. And you're going to go, you can actually press the home button. Now I'm going to show you two different ways to pull up the software that you're going to be using, which is called Kodi. One way, where you get the home screen, it says recent, and go over to the K right there, which says Kodi. You click that. And it'll bring it right up for you. Alright, another way you can go, you click the home button again, and go back, and you go down to settings, you go over to applications, and you go down to manage installed applications, and you go down to Kodi, and then launch application, and it'll bring you back here as well. Okay. Also, once you're in Kodi, that was only if you can't find Kodi on your home page or your app menu. But once you're in Kodi, try not to press the home button, because it will take you back into the main screen. Which is as such, this is what happens when you hit the home button. So try not to hit that, but if you do, that's how you go back to it. Okay, now we have a whole bunch of menu options available. We have movies, and within the movie category, there's different add-ons that you can use that have different movies in them, different quality of movies, so you can go to different ones. You also here at the top have widgets to movie links. And Alright, so if you can go through these options, the movies, and you can just click on one. I'm gonna go back to the first one. And as you see, it is working. It's loading up. Depending on how fast your internet speed is, will determine how fast it runs and loads. Mine is a little bit slower, so as you can see, it's taking a little bit of time. And this is how it looks when it comes on. Just go ahead and title at the bottom. And you can see what type of quality it is. Alright. And so like I said, you can go to these different menu options, these different add-ons, Exodus, Zen, Movie Zone, B.O.B. Movies, iStream, Movie Vault, Specto. Alright. And you can find different movies through here. If you click on that, a menu list will come up. You click on movies, and then you can pick anything in the movie theaters, new movies, genres. You can search through the year for the movies, the people that are in the movies. You can search. We'll just go say in theaters. And it's loading. Like I said, depending on the type of speed that you have for your internet, it may not take this long. You're gonna click on the first one just to see, like I said, just to see the quality. Up top, as you can see, is going through different providers for the movie, and it'll automatically play once it finds the best quality for your internet speed. As you can see, it found the one, so now it's working. It's loading. And here's the movie. Alright. Alright. So then you just hit the back button, and like I said, you have different options. You can go through these to see which ones have the best video quality you like, or some have better video quality. Some have movies that are older, some don't. So you just gotta go through and see if you can find what you're looking for. Also down here, you got cinema movies, you got 1080 movies, which is all the 1080 quality movies. You got HD movies, 4K. And you also have, this requires a login to 4K, but you can also search, and you can search whatever you want. It'll go through all of the add-ons that's available and find the movie you're looking for. Alright. Also, you can click on movies, and a list of movies will come up. Okay, you can go through the list. Then you can go over to TV shows. Give it a minute while it loads up. And up top, again, you have all different TV shows that are popular out right now. And you come down, and again, it's all different add-ons that have different TV shows available. Go down here, you can go for popular TV shows. You can find out all the new episodes that just came out recently. And a list will come up. Also, there's a search menu you can click, and you just search for whatever you would like. Once you're done, you hit done. Go back. Also, Exodus is a good thing I like on Exodus. They have TV shows, and if you click on networks, it'll have all the on-demand, all the channels, but on-demand, all the on-demand shows. All right, another good thing on here, they have a Netflix channel for people that use Netflix as well. You don't have to go to Netflix. You can watch everything right from here. So this is all the Netflix shows and series. As you can see, there are all the Netflix shows and series, original series. All of them, they got them. So this was a good link that I came across with Exodus that I love, because I love original Netflix series, but I don't feel like connecting and doing all that. So I'm glad that this has Netflix added. Also, as you can see, it's going to load up in a minute, but this is the sports pay-per-view options. These are different add-ons that you can go to that have different games, live games, new games, old games, basketball, football, hockey, tennis, whatever you want, you can find it in one of those add-ons. Also, if you go to the top, it has Fox Sports, B2 Sports, ESPN, NBA TV, NFL Networks, WWE, Box Nation. So that is another good thing as well. Also, if you go down here, you have the live events, UFC, WWE, and you can channel search. Suicide TV is down right now, but it should be up shortly. With this one, you have different live TVs you can go to. You can watch the UK channels. You can watch NASA channel. Then you have different add-ons here that you can watch live TV with. Also down here, you have a search option. You have international channel, US channels, live TV channels, so USA channels. If you go to Streams TV, go to All Channels USA.